Welcome to CataList. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to quickly and easily find the titles you want on CataList. Before we get started, make sure you're logged into your CataList account. While most of the search features are available to everyone, logging in will give you access to all the search tools and title data that is available for your account type. First up is the quick search. You can use the quick search to find books based on the title, contributor, publisher, subject, or even a keyword. If you know the format of the product you're looking for, you can use the drop-down list next to the search box to limit your results to the physical products or digital ones. You can put quotation marks around any phrase to find an exact match. Press Enter to start your search. Once your search results load, you can view them in a scrolling view to see the cover images, or switch to the grid view for a more compact display of the data. Since you've logged in, you can choose to show or hide specific columns and place them in any order you want in the table. You can export your search results as a spreadsheet, add the titles to your own custom catalog, or save your search to easily rerun it. We'll talk more about safe searches in another video. If your quick search doesn't return the books that you're looking for, you can set up an advanced search by clicking the advanced search bar above your results. You can also access the advanced search from anywhere on CataList by clicking the advanced search link below the quick search box. The advanced search form lets you further limit your search by parameters and filters available in the form. For example, you can search for a specific publisher or keywords related to the title by choosing that parameter from the drop-down list. Remember to use quotation marks around your search to return exact matches. Or you can narrow down your results by thema or BISAC subjects. Just choose the subject you're looking for from the list and save your options. Towards the right-hand side of the form, you'll find a number of additional options to help you limit your search results to the most relevant titles. For example, you can choose to return only titles that are currently available or that have a Canadian contributor. You can choose to see only digital products that publishers have identified as being accessible. Use these options and others available in the advanced search form to build a search that meets your needs. Sometimes you might have a list of ISBNs that you want to view on CataList. Instead of looking up those ISBNs one ISBN at a time, you can use the ISBN list search to find up to 1,000 ISBNs at once. When you're logged in, click the ISBN list option below the quick search box to get started. Paste in your ISBN list and click Submit to search for those titles on the site. After you run a search, whether it's a quick search, advanced search, or ISBN list, you can refine your results using a variety of filters on the left-hand side of the search page. Here, you'll find some familiar filters from our advanced search form, such as publication date, availability, and BISAC and thema subjects. Other useful filters include contributor location to find author's local area or geographical region to find books that take place in a particular setting. You can also filter your results by accessibility information to see only the titles that have accessibility features that you're interested in. For example, if you want to focus on titles that have print equivalent page numbering or titles that have full alternative textual descriptions, you can find those options in this filter. So far, we've shown you how to search for products or specific types of products on CataList. But sometimes you might want to find a collection of titles that are put together in a themed catalog or are published in a specific season. In that case, you can switch the quick search filter from all products to catalogs. Enter a keyword, and any catalog with that phrase in the catalog name will return in the results, as you see. And now, you know how to use the search features to discover titles and catalogs on CataList. Want to expand your CataList knowledge? Find links to related tutorial videos in the description below.